Alright guys, as you can see, I've been working on the C10. I've been trying to put more stuff on there. Been working on the AC. Got some AC lines connected. Condenser installed. Took it off a junkyard. But right now what I'm working on is working on the horn. From my understanding, it is the green wire, the thick green wire is a horn. So I'm going to test it. So I got my tester on the green wire that is coming from the firewall. So my tester is showing no power to it. Go ahead and press on the horn. Hold on. Try it again. Keep it pressed. Okay, let it go. Okay, that's gonna be our horn wire. Yeah, and I was working on the steering wheel. I got the steering wheel finally bolted on completely. I was having some connection problems with my lights, and as it turns out, it's a plug and it was loose. I can move it, so what I did, I just tightened it up, so it was kind of losing contact. Alright guys, so we're gonna need to look for a horn. Let's see if the Suburban has a horn. Should have a horn. This is where I took out the 5.3 from. I guess we can take this one off. Yeah, here's the other one. Hopefully they work. I can try them out before I install it. This looks like it has one bolt back here. Let's see. Let me take out one and see if it works. I'll take off this one first. This one looks better shape. know they sell these horns, universal horns or whatever, but I'm doing a budget build, so the more parts I can take off of this Suburban that I can make work on that one, I'm gonna use or try to use. But the only thing is, this thing has been getting wet, so I don't know if they're gonna work. Get some wire cutters, cut that off. Try to give me as much wire just in case I need it. So I left the bracket on there just so hopefully I can use that bracket and bolt it somewhere in the, I'll see right now. I know they use one's a high note and one's a low tone. I really don't know which one's which. Doesn't say anything. I don't see anything on the, but let's see if it works. Just gonna plug it in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna peel back some of the wiring, and it's actually green and one's a black, so I'm gonna guess the black's ground. I'm gonna just take a little bit off just so we can test it. I don't want to try to mount it on the car, on the truck, and then not even working. Got two. Go ahead and grab my tester, my power probe. It's very handy. So I already put my ground lead. You can see my ground. It works. Well guys, I got one of the horns to work. The other one, I guess it's either burnt out or it got wet. I don't know, it's just not working. I don't like the way that sounds though. And as much as I want to do a budget build and use as much of the Suburban as that I can use parts from it, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go and get some other universal horns. And I guess I'm gonna have to install those later.